So guys, today our topic of concern is how to clear JEE Advanced. So without wasting any time, let's begin. For all the Hindi fellows, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So guys, a small problem in device setting. I have to first switch on extrovertedness and fake accent before I stand in front of camera. Yo, what's up boys and girls? I'm Nikhil. Ayo. Okay, now let's get serious with this. To qualify JEE Advanced, you require max to max 120 to 130 marks, which is in the worst case, right? Last year it was around 75 marks. It was conducted by IIT Delhi, and the beauty of JEE Advanced is that 1, it is unpredictable, and 2, it requires thinking. It's unpredictable because you will not know the pattern. You will not know the total marks. You don't know whether the negative markings is -1, -2. You have absolutely no idea about what the pattern of the paper is. That makes this exam interesting. Advanced has a individual subject cutoff and an overall cutoff. So before preparing, go ahead with the worst possible situation that can take place. So prepare for 130 marks as the qualifying mark. Now scoring this 130 or 120 marks you can do by giving equal weightage to all 3 subjects, or you can give 2 subjects more weightage, and the third subject you can study just enough to qualify the subject cutoff. Subject cutoff in the sense, let's take an example, paper 1 plus paper 2 marks should be greater than or equal to 20, let's say in physics. Then you have qualified the subject cutoff for physics. So you can score 1 mark in paper 1 and 19 in paper 2, still you will be qualified. It is not individual papers cutoff, but so the score of paper 1 plus paper 2 combined should be greater than 20 marks or whatever the IIT that conducts the exam set. So where can you study from? So for all the 3 subjects, you have to definitely do the previous year questions. You can go to the internet, search for last 40 years, 50 years previous year questions, start solving from the very old question papers like 1980s, 90s and all, then move to 2000, 2010 and 2020s. This is because at that time the level will be easier. Okay, you will be able to solve the questions and you will build up some amount of confidence. That's why I'm telling you to start from 1980s and move to 2020s, not from 2020s to 1980s. Read every single question very carefully, and especially for physics, as soon as you get a data, right? As soon as you read the question and when you get a data, write it down somewhere. If you are able to make a diagram, please make it. You don't read the question completely, then check for the data. You write down the data as you read the question. You make the diagram as you read the question. Every single question, give at least 2 to 3 attempts. In 2 to 3 attempts, if you're not able to answer, then go check the solution. This is the best method to learn for JEE Advanced. If you're not able to get the answer in the first attempt, don't immediately go and check for the solution. Wait for some time, try it again for 1 or 2 times and then check the solution. The concept will sit better in your head. Now when you look at the solution, you'll understand why this equation came at this particular place and what mistakes you did, why you were not able to reach that particular equation. See, whatever chapters you were most comfortable in JEE Mains while studying JEE Mains, you have to study those chapters very thoroughly for JEE Advanced. You don't start new topics again. See, JEE Mains, at least in JEE Mains, I can understand if you complete more syllabus, you'll get more marks, but not in JEE Advanced. Completing more syllabus means you will spend less time for each chapter, in the sense your concepts will not be that good. But in JEE Advanced, you require strong concepts, right? So spend more time on the chapters you are very strong at. So the books that I'll recommend is DC Pandey, level 2 objective and subjective you should do. In HC Verma, every single question of the chapter you are learning must be done. And then you can go for Iridov. See, while you start solving Iridov, if you find it easy, continue. If you find that it's demotivating, keep that book apart. We are talking about just clearing the exam, not getting AIR 1000, 500, 200, not anything like that. We are just talking about clearing the exam. Clearing the exam means around 130 marks will give you 14,000 in the worst case, around 12,000 to 11,000 in the best case. So if you do this, even if you leave Virido, you will get around 48 marks in physics. I did that, I got 48 marks in physics. Now moving on to chemistry, do Singage for physical and inorganic. I have no idea about organic because I didn't learn that for JEE Advanced. And Narendra Avasti level 2 for physical chemistry and your coaching material. See, actually I did almost majority of the physical chemistry and I did only 30% of the organic chemistry because I had to remember too much. So with that I got 46 marks. Understand? Complete physical chemistry with full concepts, 30% of organic chemistry. That 30% consisted of the most logical chapter, which is our coordination compounds, and that contributed to around 8 and 11 marks. So if you do complete physical chemistry and around 30 to 40% of inorganic chemistry, you will get 46 marks in, near about 46 to 50 marks in your chemistry. So you get 48 to 50 in physics, again 46 to 50 in chemistry. So near about 100 marks are done. You need 30 more marks, which you can get from math. You can change the order according to your strong subjects, or you can give equal importance to all. So maths, if you don't know anything about maths, simple, take the chapter of 3D geometry and take the chapter of vectors. Do it only from R.D. Sharma objective. These two chapters, R.D. Sharma objective, you'll get near about 8 to 12 marks. Confirm you'll get 8 to 12 marks. Rest you can check any other YouTube channel which you believe in. See, if you want what are the important chapters for physics, tell me in the comment section.